Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will show you something about this Wordsworth software. This is Wordsworth English Language Lab. Feel the love of English. And here mostly it is used for school or institutions to learn English. Just write your username and submit. And here you have this all English syllabus. You can learn speaking, listening, all these things. You can manage your students' classrooms from here. Click here, you can see this your classroom students. This is teacher dashboard, and here you can manage these reports, performance of your students, which class, in which subject they are performing, and tasks. You can apply different tasks from here. Just click on task. You can give them tasks according to this English syllabus. Just from here you have this point option. Just click here and you will have this add, edit, delete, assign task. First you have to add this task from here. From here give the task name, tag name, and select modules. We have 8 modules here. You can select any modules, submit, and select lesson, which lesson you want to select, and then select grammar. Okay, you can select parts of speech, articles, which task you want to assign. Just click on this submit and you can submit your task. After submitting, adding task, just assign to your students. Click on this assign. Okay, just select this task and can just assign. Select the class which you want to assign task, and after that it will show this section name ABCD. You can select any section and the roll number of your class student. And then we have this course. In course you have this self review, classroom instructions. Click on this self review and submit. This is IELTS sessions and CBT session. You can manage from here. We have 8 modules. Select module, any module, and IELTS session, and these are the exercises, lessons which you can share with your students. Select any lesson. It will show like this. To correct their grammar, they can practice English. These are the instruction it is giving, and you have to select the options. If you want to close, just click on close, it will close. And GRUD exercise, we have this GRUD grammar exercise. You can select parts of speech, anything from here, and then GRUD exercise, vocabulary, ASL learning. You can assign listening, speaking task to your students. Exercise maker, you can make exercise, or assessment maker, you can make any assessment which you want to assign to your students. And ASL test, you can just add and assign ASL test to your students. So this is a good software to learn English. And click on these options, you will have all these account setting, profile, tutorial, or logout. You can do from here. Just do logout. Thank you and keep learning.